What's going on, y'all? On my way to get that first mod done for you guys. First video, first mod. Not gonna tell you what's getting done today, but we're on the way to drop the car off right now. I'm so excited, man. I've been wanting to get this done for like 3 years. Finally made the time to get it done. So let's get it. I'll see you when we get there. Super hype, man. Just dropped my car off to my boy. I can't wait till it's done. He's gonna give me a call later. I'm heading to work right now. As you can see, I got my work shirt on. Gotta stay working, gotta get that money. When that work gets done, I'll see you guys when I get back. Just a little hint, man. RT Design and Fabrications, we back, man. Here to pick up the whip. What's going on, man?
How's it going?
Ooh, oh my God. Damn, bro, that's looking good.
Looking good, right?
Shit. Damn, I didn't think it was gonna look that fucking good. Is that what that smell is too, from that fresh vinyl? Oh, okay. Wow. Oh, you did the fin too? Thank you, man. I didn't know you was gonna do the fin too. Damn. That shit look nasty. 3 years, bro. I've had the car. This is the first or second thing I wanted to get done, and I didn't do it. I never really took the time out to find somewhere to do it. Damn, bro. 8, 9. And it blends so well too. You guys do tint too? No tint? Okay. Yeah. Focus RS. Oh, you guys working on a Focus too? That's pretty sick too. Oh, nice. Bad rims. It is, guys. Oh my God, I absolutely love the wrap job I got done. So, if you guys didn't see the video prior to this, the mirrors were white, the door handles were white, and the roof was stock, which was white as well. I got everything wrapped for about $100, man. My man Steve hooked me up, man. Oh, I'm sorry, his name was Greg, I believe. Hooked me up, man. Gave me a sweet deal on the whole thing. Look at that. Just makes the car look so much better, man. Oh, hope you guys like it, man. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. More mods coming, man. More mods coming. Check that, click that bell, man. Subscribe so you don't miss anything. And always, man, more power, no car, baby. I'm out.